should have seen Mrs. Claus's face when I told her the Christmas cards were already done. Oh, thanks, Send Out Cards.
Send Out Cards has revolutionized how the world sends greeting cards and gifts. With this amazing system, you can choose from thousands of greeting cards, add a personalized message, and even a photo. You can also include a gift. And most importantly, once you click that Send Card button, Send Out Cards prints, stuffs, addresses, stamps, and takes your card to the post office the very next day. Imagine the surprise when someone you care enough about to send a card or gift opens their mailbox to discover you remembered. It all starts with that Send Card button. First, your card is printed on the highest quality printers, cut, scored, inserted into an envelope, sealed, addressed, verified, stamped, and then delivered to the post office. And best of all, it all happens within 24 hours of you clicking that Send Card button. No more driving to the store, trying to find the right card from a narrow selection, finding postage, and getting your card to the mailbox. Send Out Cards has made card sending fun and convenient right from your computer, any time of the day or night. Need to send 100 personalized thank you or birthday cards? Want to add your own photos to those cards? It's just a click away. Don't you want to be known as the thoughtful person who always remembered to say thank you or happy birthday? Send Out Cards has created a system for you to be that person through cards and gifts at a fraction of the cost you would normally spend.
With Send Out Cards, no malls, no lines, no problem. In fact, I'm already done.
On my computer, click, click, click. Sending out those cards is old Saint Nick. You'll love Send Out Cards. You'll get it? Oh, Santa still got it.
Are you ready to build better relationships in your personal life or your business? Then get started right now. If you're still not convinced, take Send Out Cards out for a test drive today. You're going to love the way it feels.